Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair your AirPods with the HP ENVY X360 laptop. In order to do it, first go to the Bluetooth pairing. So in order to do it, I'm gonna just search for settings and let's go in there. Now let's go to Bluetooth and devices, as you can see here. Now I'm gonna click on add device, then select Bluetooth, and now I'm gonna put my AirPods in the pairing mode. So you can also pair any other headphones, but I'm gonna show you how to do it on AirPods. If you have other headphones, you just need to know how to enter the pairing mode on them. So on AirPods with a button at the back, so it's gonna be AirPods 1, AirPods 2 and AirPods 3, and also AirPods Pro 1 and AirPods Pro 2. You just need to open this lid, then press and hold on this button until you hear a sound and this white light is flashing. Now they should be displayed here. I can click on them and they will connect. If you have AirPods 4 that have a touch panel at the front, then I think you need to triple tap on it or something like that, and it'll also get into the pairing mode. So I'm gonna click on done here, and you can see I'm connected. I can now put these AirPods in my ears and they will play sound. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.